Shalom, good morning students. Alright, what you feeling today? Are you feel happy? If you feel happy, please raise your thumbs like this. Alright, almost all of you feel happy. Okay, please thank you to come into our class, and today we will learn about measuring our length around us with me, Miss Gracelia. So welcome to our second meeting. Alright students, before we continue, let's our class leader, Yosi, can you lead us in the prayer? Yes, you can come into the front and lead us in the prayer. Alright. Amen. Alright, everyone say thank you to Yosi. Thank you, Yosi. Alright, you can sit down, Yosi. Alright, students. Now, since I saw some of you are feel happy, but I saw also some of you are not feel happy, like your eyes wanna close. Maybe it because all of you, some of you already take your breakfast, right? And now your stomach make you feel sleepy. So that's okay. We will raise again your spirit so you can enjoy in this mathematics class. We will do some exercise. So everyone stand up. Alright, everyone stand up. We will do this one. Please follow the video. Okay. Let's go. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Say hi, everyone. Nice. Now ride a horse. Alright. Here we go. Right. Up, 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 up. Alright. Don't stop. Okay, let's jump. Oh, oh. All right. Now draw. Oh. Now switch to left. Now bend your knees. Alright. Like this, like smooth. Let's go everyone, do that please. Awesome. Let's keep going. Pull in. Hoop, hoop. Good job, students. What's your feeling? All right. Wow. It's excited, right? Yes, it's excited. Because we already do our exercise. Alright. You can sit down everyone. Alright. What's start our lesson today? Alright, everyone ready. And now, Miss will, like usual, Miss will call your number, so Miss will know who do not come into this class today. Okay? Okay. Now count from 1 until 25. Now. Alright, everyone here. Isn't that true? Alright, 25. And everyone already sitting in your group members, right? Okay, alright. Now, like usual, I will remind you again about our rules and procedures. So, if Miss One raise one finger, it means yes, asking or answering question. And how about two fingers? Yes, two fingers means go to the restroom, permission to the restroom. And how about three? Yes, if you wanna take your drink like this, you can raise your three fingers. Good job, students. Now, how about this one? Yes, good job, students. Yes, if Miss raise my 5 fingers like this, you have to raise your 5 fingers like this also. And be quiet. Good job. And do not forget about our star rules. So, the answer, yes, you have to sit safely, sit properly, do not disturb your friends. Okay? Alright. The T one is take turns if anyone speak in here. So you have to listen. You have to listen their argument, their opinion, or their idea, and after that, yes, there are time for you also to speak, to communicate what's your idea. Alright. And the A one is for yes, always be kind. Always smile in this class, even though you face the difficult challenging when you do the exercise mathematics. But you have to, yes, you have to stay calm. Do not angry with your friend and something like that. Be kind. If anybody do not have ballpoint, you can borrow it. Alright, okay? And the last one is the R. Respect everyone. Alright. So you have to respect everyone. Okay, students? Alright. Now we will continue. So let's do a quick review, but before that, who remember what our learning material that we learned in the previous meeting? Yes! Good job, Abigail! So clever, Abigail! Yes, we learned what Abigail said, that we learned about many measurement tools in around us and how it object function in our daily lives. The example like scale. Please to clap for Sepia. Good job, students. Alright. And also clock, and also ruler and measuring tape. Alright. Now we will do a quick review, students. Let's see this one. Alright, this one. This is the question, which one is shorter? So, here I have one book and also my Bible. So, if you see here, which one is shorter? Alright, I will count 1, 2, 3. Alright, good job, students. Everyone give 2 claps for Rahel. Yes, if we see here, the book one is more shorter than the bottle. Something like that. Alright, good job, students. Now, let's continue. Alright, The longer one is chair. Chair is more longer than table. Good job, Kalista. Two for Kalista. And let's continue this one. Which one is longer? Our whiteboard, this one, or our door? Like this. From here to here. And faces this one to this one. Okay. Raise your front fingers. Yes, Josephine. Yes, our door is more longer than whiteboard. So clap for Josephine. Yes, good job, students. You do your best now. Good, everyone. Please rainbow clap for all of us. Alright, now today material we will learn how to measure two tools in our daily lives. So all of you already bring your what? Yes, good job. I tell you in the previous meetings you have to bring your own rulers and also yes, your measuring tape. Good job. So every group already have that part, right? Good job. Now, so our learning objective is I can. Let's we read together. The first one, I can choose the right measuring tool. Good job. The second one, I can measure the length of object. Good. And the third one, I can work nicely with my friends. So students, this is our objective and also your commitment and also me. So in this time, we will learn how to measure with our two tools, ruler or also measuring tape. And yes, you will work together with your groups. Okay? So please collaborative and work nicely. Okay, students? Alright. Alright, now we have two tools here. Please put your ruler and also measuring tape in your front of the table. Every group. Alright. So we have our rules and also our measuring tapes. This is the two tools that we will learn in this class. And do you ever wonder who created these rules and also measuring tape? Oh, alright. Yes, God created everything in this world. But for these two tools, who created? Yes. Good job, Giselle. Too clever, Giselle. Yes. These tools is human created. So human created these tools. And you know that these tools do not suddenly or appear like a goal happen in this world like that. Give us a pearly like this. Oh, there are rulers in this world, something like that. No, but God created. Yes, God created our brain, ourselves with the excellent mind, the creativity. So human can produce or can create these tools to what? To help us. Yes, to help us measure everything exactly with these two tools, something like that. Good job, students. Alright, let's see about the rules and measuring tape. But for the first part, we will learn about the ruler. Okay, for the ruler, you can see here. Please, everyone, look at me. Okay, I need your 100% attention, students. Okay, please do not disturb your friends. Please respect. If I speak, so you have to, yes, you have to listen. There are times we can do asking and answer. Alright, okay? So this one, you can see there are many numbers from 0 until 15. Good job. Now, this is a ruler. Okay? Group 2, please listen to me. Okay. So, you can see here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Alright, now I will zoom. So this one, they are called centimeters in this one. So centimeter is a small unit to measure. It was a small unit when we want to measure something with our tools, measurement tools. So there are so when we wanna create 1 centimeter, it makes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 lines, so we can get the 1 centimeters. Let's see it in the whiteboard. So I already draw this one. You can see, right? Okay, I already draw this one, and you can see that someone behind Nopi. You can see clearly in this whiteboard. All right, you can see clearly, right? We will continue. So this one, it is called 1 centimeters. Centimeters mean, yes, small unit. Small unit. And centimeter, it can happen because there are distance between 2 numbers. It's 0 and also 1. Okay? And we can get the 1 centimeter because there are teeny mini lines in between 0 and 1 like this. So we can get to 1 centimeters, and there are 10 millimeters, so we can get the 1 centimeters. So we can count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get the 0.5 centimeters, right? And we count again: 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we get the 1 centimeter like that. Do you understand or not? Please, if you do not understand, raise your one finger, right? This is the example analogy that I can give to you. So, do you ever eat chocolate bar, right? Yes. In one chocolate bar, it costs 1 centimeter. One chocolate bar. But when we open the one chocolate bar, we can get, there are mini little lines inside the chocolate bar. It calls the millimeters. You understand? Yes, good job, students. So that's the example. Here we can see this one: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to get the 1 centimeters. It's same until we get this one: 2 centimeters, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, make this 6, 7. Please be serious, okay? Alright. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So, yes, Kalista, yes, you have more longer ruler than me, alright. Yes, you have 30 centimeters. There's many more again. Okay. And this is the ruler one. So you have any question? Alright, all of you understand. Okay. Let's continue to our next tools. That one, measuring tapes. Yes, everyone, you ever see this one? Yeah. This is the measuring tape that maybe your mom or your nanny use when they wanna make some clothes. Yeah, yes, right, Rahel, yes. Good job. It's something that have function to measure ourself, our body. Good job. And how about this one? Yes, this is also the measuring tape. Yes, this is also the measuring tape that we need to measure something more longer and heavy than this one, the object that we use for this one. Okay, all right. This is also same like the concept of the ruler. If you already get this one, you will easy to understand about this one also. So this one, this is 0. I'm sorry because you cannot see this here, the 0 one. So this is 0, and you can count also the mini little lights in here. So it can get the 1.5 millimeters and get the 1 centimeters. Good job, students. You already understand. Yes. Okay. All right. You can raise your one fingers. All right. It's a good question, Shelly. So everyone, listen to me. Okay. Sally asking, what's the different function about rulers or also measuring tapes? Yes. So ruler and also measuring tape, it's also tools for us to measure something. But the difference is for the measuring tape, it's for object that elastic or small like my laptop here, and also our bottle, and also book that we can measure. Okay, and for the measuring tape, it was something bigger like this one, like when you wanna measure your table, it needs measuring tape because it's more longer than this roller. Okay, yes, good job. So you understand the answer, Sally. All right, good job. Okay, students, because everyone already understands this one, please, this is now we continue to your turn for what? For measure everything around you. Okay, so here I already have or prepare the some motion. So you already sit down with your own groups, right? First group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So every group will get a different mission. Mission A for group 1, B for 3, 4 for group D, and D for group 4, sorry, and E for group 5. Yep. And this is okay, and you have to, everyone, eyes on me. I need your 100% attention. Please respect. I still listen voices. Alright, please. Thank you. Okay. So for the example, like the mission B. So you have to write your names of your group members and please see the direction. So look at each object. This one, yeah. And after that, choose the correct measuring tool. Like this. You get this. You get this book. You get this book, and after that, you choose the correct measuring tools. When I wanna measure these books, what I can use? The ruler one or the measuring tape? Yeah, if I choose the measuring tape, I can usually directly measure what centimeter that the books have, and after that write down the length in centimeters, because you have five students in every group, so I have also the 5 objects, so you can work together. You can work together to get the answer, okay? And there are discussion questions that you have to, yes, that you have to write down your answer. Please work collaboratively. Do not disrupt different groups, okay? I will give it you the object. So I don't want see Celine goes to the Kalista group or Sepin go to the Novi group. I don't want to see that. Every group have to work in their own group, okay? Alright. Alright, so now, yeah, your turn to do this part. I will give you 6 minutes, okay? Alright, I will go to your groups, okay? Time is yours. Alright, everyone, time is up. Okay, you already have done good job. I'm ready to clap for all of us. Alright, now you will give your one presentation for share your findings with your own group. Please bring your worksheet, okay? Alright, so we start from group 5. Let's group 5. Alright, good job. Let's give 5 clap for group 5. Good job. And now group 1, let's go. Please give 5 clap for group 1. Good job, excellent. Now group 3. Okay. Alright, let's give 5 clap for group 3. Good job. Now group 4. Okay. 5 claps. Excellent. And group 2, your time. Please give 5 claps for group 2. Good job. Alright. So each one of you get different object with your friends, right? Yes. So we can see that every object have have different different tools to make sure that object um, object exactly, right? Yes, if we wanna measure the length of the whiteboard, we do not use ruler, but we use measuring tape. Yes, good job, students. So we will end our class, but before that we will do a reflection. So what you feeling now? Yeah, all right. Yes. And how did what tools that we already learned in this material? Yes. Good job. We learned about. Good. Everyone to clap for Abigail. Okay, and what do you feel? It is challenging or it is like easy one or what? Okay, Shalin. To clap for Shalin. Yes. And okay, Kalista. Let's. Okay, to clap for Kalista. Yes. Good job, students. We see that every object have their own own function. Every object have their own function that we do, and we cannot use other tools for measure that part. Okay, and we see that everything around us we can measure, right? And yeah, if we use the measuring tools with the exactly function, we will we will not do the waste paper or maybe wood, something like that, every resources, because we already know these tools have their own function. Like that. Good job. So we see that everything in around us is God created. Okay? God created human, and as a image of God, we use the God's gift, what God already given to us, with wisdom. So we do wisely. So there are no waste of the resources that we produced. Good job, students. Rainbow clap for all of us. Alright. Now, so today's big idea, we already achieved our learning objective in the previous. Like you say that I can what, I can two, I can three, something like that. And today's big idea, we already what? Let's read together. Use the right tool. Measure carefully. Work together with your friends. And yes, use your gift to glorify God. Good job, students. And remember about our next meeting. I already explained the concept of centimeter and the millimeters, right? Yep. And in the next meeting, you will learn more about the family units measurements and the measurements later. So you can search with your smartphone or your laptop in your home. So in the next meeting, you ready to learn about the family or the small object units. Okay, students? All right. So we will close our class. Please, our class leader, Yossi, can you lead us in the prayer? All right. Thank you, Yossi. always remember this part because you will, yes, you will do your summative. Okay, you have 15, yes, you have 15 question and more again. So you have to, yes, you have to learn nicely and always practice in your house, okay? Alright, that's from me. I'm Miss Gracelia and see you at the next meeting. Bye bye.